Afternoon people, well there you go, look, we have got some Oz Brain Killer chilies, we've got Joe Long, we've got Bishop's Crowns, nice sweet ones, hot, they're hot, Joe's Longs are medium, we've got Sugar Rush Peach, RRC 420s, and Joe Long. So there's a nice variety there, people. So we'll see how many seeds come out. I think there's about there's 5 seeds in each one. So we'll see what seeds come up. Yeah, so we've got Bishop's Crown, Joe Long, Sugar Rush Peach, Oz Brain Killer, and RRC 420. So we'll see how long they take to come up, people. God bless. Love you, Jacko.